Greetings, how's everyone doing? One of my clients recently came across a beautiful property and they asked me to run the numbers. So here we go. The property is fully renovated, located right here in the Bronx. Brand new everything. Bathrooms look spectacular, tiled throughout, hardwood floors, freshly painted, recessed lighting. But I'll leave all of that stuff to the realtor. I'm here to run the numbers. On the purchase price right now is 695,000. With the minimum down payment, you're looking at approximately 24,325,000 for the down payment. The loan amount would be $670,675. If you put the minimum down, you'd have to pay upfront mortgage insurance premium. That gets added to the closing costs, so that's 11,736. The total loan amount would be $682,411. In New York City, the estimated closing cost is 5.5% of the loan amount. So you're looking at 37,532. So the total cash to close on this beautiful home would be 24,877 plus the 37,532. So the cash to close would be approximately $61,857. Uh, as always, there is room to negotiate. You would need to have the 24,877, but there are different ways to handle the closing costs. At this time, if you find this information useful, I'm going to ask you to please like, share, do what you do, get it into hands of others. Most importantly, give me a call, schedule a consultation, and we can go over different ways to handle the closing costs. Um, So when you're buying a home, the two most important things are, can you afford the closing costs? Can you afford the cash to close on the property? As well as, is the monthly mortgage payment something that you could live with? In this case, the projected monthly mortgage payments would consist of principal and interest of about $3,064. The taxes on this home is approximately $4,800. Private mortgage insurance, if you put less than 20% down, you'll have to pay PMI. In this case, $597. Homeowners insurance, $125. So the projected mortgage payment with the least amount of money down would be approximately 4186. So the income needed to qualify for this property is approximately $9,303 monthly, or roughly $112,000 per year. Again, my name is Lawford Campbell, Nationwide Mortgage Bankers. If you or a friend, family member, or a coworker is thinking about buying a home, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help them with the home financing process. Again, you only need three things. One, money saved for the down payment. Unless you served in the military, your service to this country is your down payment. Two is credit. We are looking for a minimum of 620 credit score, ideally a credit score of 640, so that you don't have to pay any extra to get a mortgage and you get the best interest rates over the life of the loan. And with this particular property, we are looking for income of approximately $112,000 per year. The more you put down for the down payment, the less income you're going to need to qualify. Again, please give me a call, 917-631-2772.